Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, monkey. Today we're going to be potting on these. These are Geum. That's how you pronounce it. I'll just get the close up on that. Geum Blazing Sunset. Sowing time February to June or September to October. These are perennials, so once you've sown them and planted them out after the last frost has been, they grow every year. You can divide them, they spread really nice. I've got an orange variety which I forget the name of now, but it's really beautiful. It grows through the plants. So this produces thin stems up to a metre, metre and a half tall. Well, from a half metre to a metre and a half tall, sorry. And beautiful flowers on the end. Deadhead them and they flower a little bit longer, which is great. They're the instructions if you need them. Got 15 seeds here, so let's see how many we actually got, which would be great to know. Give them a quick count. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 10 and 11, I think. I'm using these 9cm pots, which I love. It'll cost me 5p each. I'm using a peat-based compost. These started off in a peat-free compost. Cocoa coir. What I need to do is just fill the pot up to about 1 inch from the top. Get your knife or your dibber, whichever you want to use. Gently prick it out. I'm just going to show you the root system. This shows you a nice healthy root system on a plant. Nice brilliant white, that is new growth, which is brilliant. So once you get that like so, that's them all done now. All I'm going to do now is just give them a nice water, and then I'll start feeding them then, once they've settled in. I always like to give them a day or so just to settle in, perennials, and then I'll start feeding them. So these will go, I'll show you where these are. Right, these are going now, show you, up here, along with my delphiniums. They're my carnations. I need to get another couple of trays, which I'll order this week. Yeah, just water them, get all the soil off the leaves. Helps with photosynthesis, helps them feed themselves. Don't mucky leaves. Right, so I'll give them a couple of days, and then we'll start feeding those. So that is, folks, how to grow these Geums. How to pot on Blazing Sunset. If you've got any questions about anything growing in my greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like me and Monkey's videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.